I can tell you the exact moment I decided our firm needed a new phone system. A woman called our office about a custody matter on a Friday afternoon. I was in court. My paralegal was with a witness. The call went to a voicemail box nobody checked until Monday. By Monday, she had hired another firm. She did not choose them because they were better lawyers. She chose them because they answered. I practice law. I do not want to think about phone systems, but I knew what we needed. New client calls had to reach a person, first ring or fast with a backup if intake was busy. I needed to return client calls from the courthouse hallway without handing out my personal cell number. And everything, voicemail, texting, recordings, had to respect the confidentiality obligations we carry as attorneys. That is not a feature list. That is the practice of law. We looked at the big national providers. Then a colleague told me about Carolina Digital Phone in Greensboro. The difference was obvious from the first conversation. They did not read me a price sheet. They asked how our intake works, who covers what when I am in trial, and what happens to our calls when the office loses power. Then they designed the call flow around our actual practice. When our court schedule changes, I call, and a real person in North Carolina changes the routing that day. They have been doing this since the year 2000, and it shows. Today, a new client inquiry rings our intake coordinator, then rolls to a backup and never dies in voicemail. I return calls from anywhere, and the client sees our office number. During the last ice storm, our calls quietly moved to our mobile apps, and we never missed a beat. My clients notice. If you run a law practice, your phone is your front door. Do not leave it unattended. Call Carolina Digital Phone at 336-544-4000 and talk to a specialist about how your firm handles intake, court days, and after-hours calls. They will give you straight answers before they ever give you a sales pitch. I know, because that is exactly how they treated me. And if this was helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more educational videos like this one.